I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Pi app and confirm your email and phone number are current. Install a third-party authenticator app on a separate device before continuing. Have the authenticator ready to scan a QR code and to provide a 6-digit code. Print or securely store 8 backup codes in a safe place for account recovery. Make sure you know your Pi account password and can receive SMS if needed. Avoid using only SMS for two-factor authentication protection. Open Pi and navigate to Settings, then Security, and then Two-Factor Authentication. Choose Authenticator as your method and tap the displayed QR code to reveal the secret. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code to add the Pi account. Wait for the 6-digit code to appear and enter that code back into the Pi app. Confirm by entering your Pi account password when prompted and tap Verify to finalize two-factor setup. Log out of your Pi account and attempt to sign back in to test two-factor behavior. When prompted, open your Authenticator and enter the current 6-digit code to complete sign-in. If sign-in fails, use one of your 8 backup codes to regain access immediately. Store backup codes offline in a secure location separate from your phone. Add a verified recovery phone number and avoid SMS-only two-factor methods for stronger security. Update recovery details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.